Navigating semicolons. Enhancing complex sentences with adverb clauses. Hello everyone. Welcome to our lesson on using semicolons with adverb clauses in complex sentences. As you are all aware, adverb clauses play an integral role in enriching our sentences, making them more nuanced and precise. Today, we will delve deeper into this fascinating subject by studying how we can leverage semicolons to punctuate our adverb clauses effectively. Get ready to uncover some amazing grammatical tricks that will undoubtedly elevate your English language skills. Before we proceed, let's quickly recap. An adverb clause is a group of words that functions as an adverb. This means it can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. They often answer the questions when, where, why, how, and to what extent. For example, in the sentence, she runs quickly because she is late is an adverb clause. Now, let's meet a very special punctuation mark, the semicolon, winking face. A semicolon is primarily used to link two related independent clauses. By using a semicolon, you can showcase the connection between these two ideas without using a conjunction. It looks like this: I love pasta. It's my favorite dish. When it comes to using semicolons with adverb clauses, there are a few things to remember. If the adverb clause comes before the independent clause, you typically separate them with a comma. For instance, although it was raining, we decided to go for a walk. But, if you have a conjunction and an independent clause, followed by a comma, an adverbial conjunction, and another independent clause, you can replace the comma after the first independent clause with a semicolon. This gives a slight pause that emphasizes the link between the two clauses. Let's look at an example. She finished her homework, therefore she could watch a movie. This sentence could also be written as, she finished her homework, therefore, she could watch a movie. The semicolon in the second example emphasizes the cause and effect relationship between her finishing her homework and her ability to watch a movie. Remember that not all adverb clauses can be separated with a semicolon. Usually, only adverb clauses that begin with adverbial conjunctions like however, therefore, moreover, consequently, etc., can be used with semicolons. Also, you should only use a semicolon with adverb clauses if the linked clauses are closely related and the link is being emphasized. So there you have it, folks. The fascinating world of semicolons and adverb clauses in all its glory. As you continue your English language learning journey, don't forget to experiment with these grammatical tools. They will certainly add a touch of sophistication and clarity to your sentences. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video enlightening.